Welcome to the BERNY channel. In this video, we'll show you how to use our titanium quartz watch, model T2556M, which features both analog hands and a digital display. This watch has two time displays. The hands automatically follow the digital time. The left button is the mode button, short press to cycle through current time, alarm, stopwatch, date, and hand calibration, in that order. In time mode, hold the mode button for 3 seconds. The seconds will start flashing. Press either the up or down button to reset them to 0. Press the mode button again, now the minutes flash. Use the up or down button to adjust. If you want to move faster, just hold the button. Press the mode button again for hours. If you're using the 12-hour format, you'll see A for AM or P for PM above the seconds. Next are 12 24-hour format, year, month, date, and day of the week. When you're done, hold the mode button for 3 seconds to exit. The digits stop flashing and the time displays normally. In this mode, pressing either the up or down button will activate the backlight. Switch to alarm mode, hold the mode button for 3 seconds, the hour flashes. Adjust with the up or down buttons. Press mode again, then adjust the minutes. When you're done, hold the mode button for 3 seconds to save. Important. In alarm mode, press the up button to toggle the alarm on or off. A bell icon in the lower left shows when it's on. Press the down button to toggle hourly chime. A sound icon in the upper left means it's active. In stopwatch mode, press up to start or pause, down to reset. Can it do split timing? Absolutely. From 0, start the stopwatch. This time, press the down button to pause. You'll see split appear below. The minute and second marks will flash, but the watch is still counting in the background. Press down again to reveal the updated time. To reset, pause with the up button, then press the down button once or twice. Sometimes, if the battery runs low or for other reasons, the analog hands may drift from the digital time. That's when calibration comes in. Switch to calibration mode. Hold mode for 3 seconds, the hands will reset near 12 o'clock and the screen shows H. Use the up or down buttons to align the hour hand. Press mode again to switch to M and align the minute hand. Hold mode for 3 seconds to exit. The hands will instantly sync with the digital time. And that's our complete guide to this watch. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep bringing you more interesting and practical watch tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.